said super nervous.
Yes.
Why?
Okay. Because I'm at an age where I feel like I should start embracing my natural hair. I grew up like always straightening my hair, coloring it every 6 months, doing all the things, you know, experimenting.
Okay.
And I want to love my natural hair, but I just don't. So this is it with nothing in it.
Okay.
And then when I put product in it, a lot of shrinkage. And like I really, like I've been working so hard to get it to grow.
Okay.
So I really want the length as much as possible, and I want to work on getting it longer because I feel like I will love wearing it curly if it's longer.
If it's longer.
Right.
It sounds like an obvious question. What about the not long do you dislike? And I'm asking, let me give you a multiple choice.
Yes.
Is it the size that you get due to the lack of length? Are you hoping for more weight to kind of pull that down?
Yes.
Is it the tightness of the coil that with more length comes a bit of a stretch?
I want to say a little both. I don't like that like pyramid shape that like I end up getting where it's like, I don't know if it's the way I style it, but it's like flat here and then it gets really big. I don't know.
No, well that's why
Okay.
that's what we do.
Right.
We're gonna figure it out. So
Yeah.
the reason why this is happening right now is kind of a combination of the length
Okay.
and the lack of cut.
Okay.
Technically speaking, just because it's let's call this shorter in comparison to the length that you want it,
Yeah.
right? Even at this length, you don't have to have
This shape.
pyramid. No,
Okay.
we can, even if I don't shorten you up, I mean, if I do things like this
Okay.
and start to kind of like take these little things off, that shape gets softer.
Okay.
And it winds up rounding rather than having a severe corner.
Right.
So
Okay.
you don't have to have length to get away from a bad
Yes,
shape.
yes.
You can have shorter hair, short hair, and have a great shape. It doesn't have
Okay.
to be triangular.
When I like blow out my hair and flat iron it, I just feel prettier. I don't know what it is, but I want to like feel comfortable in this hair.
Gotcha. I want you to as well.
I don't know. And then
You have
I
kids?
have a lot. I have 2 under 2.
All right.
And for the past 2 years, I've done nothing to my hair. No haircut, no color, no. I've straightened it, but I haven't done severe damage to it in the past 2 years, period. And this is like the healthiest my hair has ever been.
Fantastic.
So I always hear you say like, stay away from oils, and I put oil on her hair.
It's straight up oils that
Okay.
I'm talking about. People underestimate it. We have a ton of oil production right out of our scalp.
Okay.
We have a ton of oil production around our hands.
Okay.
We are constantly in it. So
Right.
you're getting oil. In my favorite line, there is oil in the shampoo, oil
Okay.
in the conditioner, oil in the styling products.
Okay.
There's oil in freaking everything.
Okay.
And people will be like, oh, but if I put oil in it, it smooths my hair down. Yes,
Right.
it does. But in the same way that heroin is going to cover your headache,
Right.
it's going to work fantastic. The problem is what does that do to you later? How are you going to feel coming off of it?
Right.
Same
Okay.
situation with the oil. What
Okay.
does water not mix with? We do need our hair hydrated and moisturized. But I say that using those specific words so that you can look out for it. InnerSense is guilty of it too.
Okay.
They have a product called hydration. You think there's fucking water in that bottle? There is not.
Okay.
It's their most controlling line, and
Right.
if they labeled it like that, I'd be like, cool, transparency, honesty.
Right.
But don't hydrate or moisturize your hair with a product. You hydrate and moisturize with water because that's
Okay.
what both of those are. Hydration is the water coming out of your shower. Moisture is the water that your hair decided to hold on to
Okay.
even after it's dry.
Okay.
That is what moisture is. What does that stuff not mix with?
Oil.